Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and opening Bing Bang Drive. This authenticates access so your files sync correctly. Once done, connect the drive physically or mount the network path so Windows or Mac OS recognizes it. This prevents permission errors later. Make sure to verify available space and set read/write permissions. These steps avoid interrupted transfers. Then create a destination folder and start the first small upload to test speed and behavior before moving larger batches. Now you manage active transfers. Queue files in batches and use pause/resume to prioritize urgent items. You do this because large transfers can stall without controlled concurrency. Adjusting simultaneous uploads stabilizes throughput. Next, enable autosync and file versioning so you can revert unwanted changes. This protects against accidental edits. Also set bandwidth limits and encryption preferences. These reduce network impact and keep data private. Finally, monitor transfer logs to confirm integrity and address any flagged errors promptly. To finish, verify checksums or file sizes to confirm transfers completed intact. This proves success and prevents corrupted data from propagating. Once verified, tidy folder structure and remove temporary files to keep the drive organized. If synchronization stalls or files are missing, first restart the client and rerun the failed batch. Often a reconnect clears transient issues. If issues persist, collect logs and contact support with timestamps and error codes so they can diagnose deeper problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.